Yeah, here we have a really nice Vectrax 17-inch by 60-inch gap type engine lathe. It's 230 volt, 3-phase, appears to be unused. It's in really good condition. And we checked everything manually here. Everything seems to be working fine. Okay, so all these controls do operate. We're going to show you that in a minute there. Coolant pump works. We checked it on most of the speeds. It all works very well. That's your coolant pump, your e-stop. Now we can't get the machine to run manually when we do forward or reverse on the apron here. However, this machine has a Yaskawa Vari-Speed G7 motor controller. Okay, so what we did, we put it on auto tuning here, and we did manage to run this. When it's all set up, ready to go, we're going to show you that the machine does operate. And so she's starting up. She's going to go through the process right now. Just move to the outside of the machine again. You can hear it starting to do the setup on here. This is the auto tune mode. And this. Let me show you that that's the shredding dial here. So all the controls on the apron operate fine. And we thank you for looking at our product.